What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Nasty Nate channel. Thanks for stopping in today. Make sure you subscribe down here. It's kind of hard to point that way, but down there. And today we have a super cool video for you guys, and it's what I think is exactly what this truck needed. Boost auto parts, new body style tow mirrors with the switchback lights. So let's get this box open, and we are actually going to do a switchback light install, like the LEDs on the inside. So I'll probably move to inside the house to do that, just so we have a table with kind of a nice area to set everything, so we don't scratch anything, you know, drop it on the concrete or something like that. That would suck. So I'm going to bring you guys inside for that. We'll hook up all the lights and make sure everything is working, and then we'll bring it back outside, hook it up on the truck. But right now, let's open this box and see what they sent us. This is going to be cool. All right, let's get the Nasty Nate knife out. Check it out. Box is super big. Looks like the first thing you see is the mirror. Man, these look a lot bigger when they're not on the truck. That's kind of funny. Ooh. Yeah, that's gonna look good. So, I want to explain something. I got a really good Black Friday deal on these mirrors. I actually bought the switchback strip lights separate because it actually turned out to be cheaper. So sorry, Boost Auto Parts, I kind of cheated your Black Friday deal, but I did buy the strip switchbacks separately, and we're going to install those in this video. I also bought a set of paintable, they're just primer, they come primer, and the caps. So I'll probably run the chrome for a little bit, see how I like them. I'm going to paint match another set of caps, white with the truck. I'm going to leave this part black because I think that looks good. I don't want too much paint match on the mirrors, but yeah, this is going to look sick. So these look good already. Let's open the rest of this and start working on them. All right, guys, we got one of the mirrors out. We got the switchbacks. Let's get this open. If I can do it with one hand. Man, do these things look good. I got the smoked just because I don't really like the chrome background on the non-smoked ones, but yeah, these things look sweet. And we are going to be replacing this dotted LED turn signal, which I've already done on this one. And it looks really good, but we're going to do the other one right now. And honestly, I could do a how-to, but they have a bunch of videos on their website and on YouTube, so I just suggest going to them and watching that video. It's a step-by-step. It's really easy to follow, so I'm going to do a time-lapse with these right now.
All right, put the money in the bag. Put it in.
Alright guys, we're back outside. Got the reverse wiring here, and then the power wiring for the running light, which is the white LED. So we're going to have to run the wiring through this thing, which probably isn't going to be too fun. And then we got to figure out where to take it under the dash. So I'm going to do this side first. I've already got the door panel kind of taken apart. You can see I'm going to pull that off, and if I run into any tips or tricks or anything like that, I'll tell you guys. If not, it should be pretty straightforward. Run the wires from here through there under the dash, and then we'll go through the firewall under the steering wheel. And let's do it. All right, this thing is an absolute pain to get the wires through, but I took it off the door and the body and ran an extension through it and then taped the wires to it and pulled it through. Yeah, this thing sucks. It's gonna suck to get back onto this thing too, so that'll be fun. But got the one side wires ran. Now we can pull this, put the mirror on, and then do the other side. All right, we got the mirror on. I think it's in the right place. And ran the wires through. All we got to do is plug them in, put the door panel on. And of course, we still have to plug in everything under the dash, but let's plug these in. So this looks a lot better zip tied. I think that's actually how they come factory, but I actually put the tow mirrors that this truck was supposed to come with on this because it came with 1500 mirrors. But yeah, definitely zip tie there and there because that makes it look perfect. And we'll get the door panel on and get this thing buttoned up. All right, I ran the add a fuse thing right here to the trailer park lights. So it's just gonna, the LED lights will come on with the running lights, and then ran it through the fuse box. It's this orange wire here. Just need to pull the slack through and hide it under the dash, and then just need to put the other mirror on this side, and we'll see if they work. This is the perfect touch for the Nasty Nate Duramax. I'm so glad I ended up doing those mirrors. They look super good. And then if we go in here and turn on the hazard lights, they blink orange because of course they're the switchbacks. Man, do those look good. I'm into that. I honestly like these better than the regular tow mirrors because I think the bottom glass has like more curvature to it, so you can honestly see more. Right now it's pointed kind of low, so you can see the back wheel. I just need to adjust it a little bit. Unfortunately, those are not power, but they do have more visibility than the stock mirrors, so that's pretty cool. Super stoked on these. Oh yeah, guys, before we end the video, I actually want you guys to comment below if you like the chrome caps that we have on the mirrors right now, or if I should get paint matched ones that will be white. Just the caps, this here and this bottom piece. I don't want to paint match all of this. I think a lot of people do that, and I do think it looks good, but it's not really the look I'm going for on this truck, so I'm either going to leave the chrome caps or I'm going to do white paint match caps. So comment below what you guys think and we'll do it. All right, guys, it's snowing. It's like almost midnight, but I couldn't resist getting this thing out with all the lights on it. I'm just super stoked on what this truck is looking like recently with the rock lights and the Boost Auto mirrors. So we're going to get some sick shots for you guys, and hopefully you enjoy it. So much for watching today's video installing these Boost Auto parts. 2015 plus tow mirrors with the switchbacks. Check out, they even light up on this side. That's so cool. Yeah, these things look nasty on the Nasty Nate Duramax. So thanks again for watching. Make sure you guys stay tuned to the Nasty Nate channel. Subscribe in the bottom corner somewhere down here, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.